Hi, I'm David Wilton.
I'm Eleanor Spear.
And welcome to the second All Wales Annual Tenant Survey by TPAS Cymru. We've titled it this time, The Right to Feel Safe and Warm.
Did you know that a third of people in Wales are now renting? We have all seen housing in the news over the last year, and this report reflects the voices of tenants across Wales and what matters most to them.
So the report is about 750 tenants, both social housing and private renters complete. And I think that's really important. We had more private renters this time, and it gives a nice balanced view of the rental sector in Wales. So the report's about 50 pages. It's on our website in both languages. If you Google Tenant Pulse, you probably go straight to it, to the report.
The first topic that we're going to cover today is affordability across all ages and across all tenants in Wales.
So affordability is really starting to bite amongst younger tenants, or working tenants as well. And when you've got a combination of younger and working, they're the people who are struggling the most. And that's really been driven by the energy prices that we've seen over the last year. It's gone from barely registering last year as an issue to one of the biggest issues now on affordability, the energy crisis.
Homes don't just become unaffordable, don't just become energy efficient, but our awareness has driven this year, and it's risen as prices have risen as well.
So we've got this, and one of the themes in this report is this interlinked trinity of damp and mould, energy efficiency, energy costs, and that leads on then to the general repairs and standard of the home. It was quite, again, disappointing to see that only 40% of tenants said that their home was free from damp and mould. And what we're seeing is a real urgency and a request from tenants to make homes more energy efficient. They really want it. It comes out in the comments. They understand things like solar panels. They understand more efficient boilers and insulation, and they really want it. And as a sector, we need to work out how we can unlock the net zero programs to make it much more energy efficient for our tenants in social and private renting, which will then, I think, improve damp and mould. It will improve perceptions of the home and also make things more affordable for people.
This affordability also comes into security of tenancy as well. Tenants across the board want to feel secure and safe, and in the PRS we've seen a massive tornado come in this year between bidding wars, lack of supply, the rising rent and affordability, and also Airbnbs and second homes have been a massive issue and causing huge problems across the sector for tenants. And this has also been seen in ASB. There's no easy answer to ASB, and it's a complex issue that we all see.
So antisocial behaviour, ASB, featured very heavily this time. One of the questions was, what's the one thing you would change in your community? And absolutely at the top was a perception of they want to see changes to antisocial behaviour. Some really strong comments in the report about that. And there was a feeling that maybe policymakers, whether that's landlords, police, local community authorities, really aren't getting that right at the moment, and there's a real feeling of helplessness. And I think really we need to be having a new debate in Wales, I think, about ASB, how we tackle it. There's no real easy answers, is there?
No, I mean, including tenants at the heart of this conversation has been spread across this survey, and also including them in decisions and strategy as well, in tenant participation, including across the board in organisations. Tenants aren't feeling heard and they aren't feeling seen.
So it's a big report. There's some really interesting findings in there. So we'd encourage you, the report is on the website, do have a look at it. There'll be a recording of the briefing session that we are running. And also if you're a tenant group or a landlord and you want to discuss this further, you want TPAS Cymru to come and do a talk with you, do let us know. We want you to act on this report. We want communities to be better. And thank you for your time.